So in our last video, we took a look at unit rates to see exactly what they are, what was the difference between a rate and a unit rate. And we discovered that the real difference between a rate and a unit rate is that a unit rate has a 1 in the denominator. For example, this is a unit rate, 3 miles per 1 gallon. That's a unit rate because it has a 1 in the denominator. Now we want to see a little bit more about how we can use unit rates to solve problems. In this case, we have a word problem. So we find out that shirts are on sale at the mall. Lisa buys 6 shirts for $3. If she spent $10, how many shirts did she buy? So this particular problem assumes that there is a relationship between 6 shirts and $3. So we can write that as a rate. 6 shirts for $3. $3. And we can assume that that is a rate. We're told basically that that's a rate. So if she buys 6 shirts for $3, we want to know how many shirts she can buy with $10. So we want to find a way to solve this problem using a unit rate. The first thing we want to do is calculate the unit rate using this particular ratio. If we want to do that, then we divide the top number by the bottom number. So we divide 6 by 3, because if we can buy 6 shirts for $3, then we'll divide 3 into 6 to get a 1 in the bottom. And let's see how that works. 3 goes into 6 2 times. So that leaves us with 2 shirts for $1. 2 shirts for $1. And that is a unit rate. And how do we know that that works? Well, because 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 2 shirts to $1, just like we have 6 shirts to $3. 2 to 1 and 6 to 3. What if we had, for example, we had $2 and we wanted to spend $2 on shirts? How many shirts could we buy? Well, we know that these are equivalent ratios. We multiplied 1 times 3 to get this one. We multiplied that by 3 to get that one. And we multiplied this by 3 to get 6. So both of those multiplied by 3. What would we do if we multiplied this then by 2? We multiplied this by 2. Well, that would allow us then to multiply this by 2. And we would get 4 over 2. So 4 shirts for $2. So let's use that and fill in these values in a table. So the number of dollars, we'll start with our unit rate. We have $1 gets us 2 shirts. $1, 2 shirts. $2 will get us 4 shirts. So $2 gets us 4 shirts. And then $3 gets us 6 shirts. So $3 gets us 6 shirts. Now, the next one we're going to do is $4. $4. So how many shirts can we buy with $4? Let's use our unit rate. So we had $1. That gave us 2 shirts. So we want to multiply $1 times 4. That will give us $4. $4. And if we multiply the top then by 4, that will give us 8 shirts, because we have to keep these ratios equal. 2 times 4 gives us 8. 2 times 4 gives us 8. And 1 times 4 gives us 4. So that leaves us with $4 gives us 8 shirts. So she spent $10. How many shirts did she buy? We'll use the same process. 2 shirts for $1. 2 to 1. We want to know times 10. So for $10, how many shirts will we get? We multiplied this by 10. So we'll multiply the top part by 10. 2 times 10 is 20. So 20 shirts. We have $10 gives us 20 shirts. $10 and 20 shirts. And so we've solved our problem.